finding the limits if it exists. The first thing when we try to find the limit is just substitute in the number. So here x equal to -1, so we let x equal to -1. Substitute into the top and at the bottom. Notice that here we do not write equal sign here yet, so it's not equal yet. Right, now we just do the math here. The top we have 0, the bottom is -2, so 0 divided by -2 is 0. It is a defined number, so we'll make it equal to. Only then we can make it equal to if this is a number that is defined. Right, so that is the first one. Next, we try to find the limit on x equal to -2 of x squared plus 3x plus 2 over x squared minus 4. We'll do the same thing. We will put -2 on the top for x and -2 at the bottom for x. The top we will have 4 plus 2, 6 minus 6, so that will be 0. The bottom also 0. Now 0 over 0 is indeterminate. So if it is indeterminate, we certainly cannot write the equal sign here because it could be anything. So we have to do it differently. What we can do here is even we have 0 over 0, but that definitely helps us. What we have is a theorem. It says that for polynomial, if f of c equal to 0, then x minus c is a factor. This works for every polynomial. So go back to our problem. Because the top equal to 0 when we put x equal to -2, so it has to have x minus a -2 as a factor according to that theorem. Uh, x minus -2, I just write x plus 2. So we say x minus -2 same as x plus 2. We should have x plus 2 on the top and x plus 2 at the bottom because both the top and bottom equal to 0 when x equal to -2. And then we just have the remaining factor. To get to 2, suddenly we have to have an x here. So whatever the numbers here multiplied to 2 have to be equal to 2. So that's going to be plus 1. And similarly at the bottom, it have to have x minus 2. Because 2 times -2 is -4. Right. So that's what we have. Now both the top and bottom have x plus 2. It will cancel out. And so we'll have limit x go to -2 of x plus 1 over x minus 2. We will substitute -2 in for x again. -2 plus 1 and -2 minus 2. That equal to minus 1 over -4 1/4, which is a defined number So we make it equal to